Hello, my name is Bernd Bausch. Welcome to my course Getting Started with OpenStack. By trade, I'm a course designer and instructor, and I have been involved with this technology since early 2014. OpenStack is the major open source cloud operating system, powering many research, commercial, private and public clouds. In this course, you will launch a WordPress website on an OpenStack cloud. You will start small with a single server site, then spin the database server out to a separate network, add resilience with storage volumes and backups, and at the end, fully automate the setup of all resources required to launch the site. You will mostly use the OpenStack command line, but also familiarize yourself with its browser-based dashboard. As a side effect, you will get a well-rounded introduction to the core OpenStack features: authentication, server management, network management, storage management, object storage and orchestration. By the end of this course, you have the fundamental skills for moving your own application to an OpenStack cloud. To really benefit from the course, you should have basic to intermediate Linux command line skills. Join me on this journey through OpenStack at Pluralsight.